You guys, the internet made me try this recipe and I'm so glad. It's an incredibly flavorful and super fast recipe you can whip up in no time. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how to make a spicy Asian cucumber salad that comes together super fast. To make it easier for you, I included the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to make our spicy Asian cucumber salad is we're going to work on the dressing. So first up, we have some peanut butter. So just a little bit here, about a tablespoon, not about a tablespoon, exactly 1 tablespoon. And you can substitute other nut butters if peanut butter doesn't work for you, that's perfectly fine. And to that we are going to add some soy sauce. There's our salty umami. We're going to kick it up with just a little tiny bit of sriracha. And if you don't want any spice in the salad, perfectly fine, you can leave it out. No judgment here. Next up, we have some minced garlic, so in that goes. And that's it for our sauce. I just have a little whisk here, and I'm just gonna give it a twirl around the bowl. So we're just gonna set this aside, and we're going to start working on our cucumber. So here I have an English cucumber. I prefer the English cucumbers because you don't have to peel them, right? You can just eat right through that peel, it's nice and thin. So I'm going to chop off the ends. So you can do this any way you'd like. You can dice it, you can slice it, you can chop it up any way that you prefer. I think I'm gonna go with slices. So I'm using my knife. You could easily use a mandolin, but we're looking for nice thin slices. Okay, there we go, all sliced up. We're gonna put the cucumbers into the bowl here, and we could stir it up this way, or we can do it internet style and use a deli container. And I'm gonna show you that method too. So we'll put our cucumbers into our deli container. So if you're doing this method, you could just mix it all right in the deli container. You don't even need to bring a bowl into the process. Put the lid on and literally shaky, shaky, shaky. Lots of shaking, because that sauce, remember, is thick. All right, I'm gonna go in. I'm just gonna scrape some of that, actually I use my little one. I'm gonna scrape some of that stuff off the sides that kind of got caught up in the sides. And moving on down. Oh, this smells amazing. So good. And I'll go in for another shake. The whole goal is to get everything coated really well in that sauce. I think we might be good. So you can put this in the fridge for a little bit, maybe like an hour or two, and the longer it sits, those cucumbers are gonna soak up all of that peanutty, soy saucy, garlicky flavor. Or you can eat it right away if you can't wait, which is kind of where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna serve this up and I am going in for a taste. Okay, so our cucumbers are served up, but we have one last step. I'm going to just put some sesame seeds on top for a little bit of extra crunch, and it makes it look pretty. You can use white, I have white sesame seeds. You can easily use black sesame seeds here, whatever suits your fancy. Alrighty, I am going in. I cannot wait. This smells amazing. Mmm. 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 Ooh, it's peanutty, a little salty from the soy sauce, and just a hint of a little heat coming up on the backside of that. This is so good. This spicy Asian cucumber salad is definitely a keeper. I can see why the internet went bonkers. There are so many great salad recipes out there. I have a dill pickle pasta salad recipe that always gets rave reviews. You don't want to miss it. You can check it out here. I'll see you there.